In an ideal world, no customer would ever request a refund. But hey, it happens, so make sure you're ready to deal with it. I'll explain what your options are in this situation and how to carry out refunds for your customers. Here's how you'll do it. First, you'll go to the Contacts Purchases tab. Second, select the transaction you want to refund. And last, just click Refund Transaction. Pretty simple. I'll show you what it looks like in the app. So, first, find the record for the contact you want to refund, like this. Then go ahead and click on the Purchases tab on the left. Now you need to pick the transaction you want to refund. That'll be in the Transactions subcollection. Use the check mark to indicate the transaction you want to refund. When you do that, the actions that you can take will pop up. Click Refund Transaction from that list of actions. Then hit OK to confirm. Now you can see the status of refunded for that transaction. That'll tell you you did it right. Now, you might be wondering how this process would be different if you wanted to process partial refunds. Currently, Ontraport does not support partial refunds natively. So, if you have a policy to refund, say, half a customer's money if they're outside the return window, you'll have to go to your gateway and refund the partial amount there. Then, in Ontraport, you'll void the original transaction and you'll log a manual transaction for the amount you're not refunding. For more info on how that works, watch the lesson on manual transactions. At this point, all payment gateways except PayPal Standard will attempt to process a refund. But if you're using PayPal Standard, you'll have to first refund through PayPal. Then log back into your Ontraport account and find the Refund Transaction button. This will keep your bookkeeping nice and tidy. Awesome. Now you're prepped to handle refund requests. We'll move on to declines and collections. Keep up the momentum and keep watching.